What's up, goodies? Welcome back to your girl channel, Ultimate Kitchen How to Cook, and I'm here with another recipe. Ultimate Jamaican Sunday dinner, oven baked jerk chicken, vegetable rice and peas, made easy in my kitchen. Now, if you're here watching me cooking for your very first time, make sure you subscribe and then turn on your post notification settings. Why, you might ask? So you will always be reminded every time your girl upload what? A brand new video. So we are wait upon. Make we start cook then now.
You don't remember where you're coming from. You don't remember where you're coming from. You don't remember where you're coming from. Rastafari, why you turn your back on your brother when him need you? You don't remember the days and when him feed you. You know when no obligation but to owe him some respect. All you need to do is just give him wine to get turn your back.
Okay, goodie. You ready for cook? Let's cook. Now I have my chicken right here, chicken legs and thighs, and it's washed with salt, lemon juice, and vinegar, nice and clean. And I'm doing skinless here. I did add some salt and black pepper, and I'm going to do this mellow, right? Now, after I add that, I'm going to add a little bit of pepper to it, but I'm using the powdered Scotch bonnet pepper. I bought this one in the farmer's market, and if you don't have that, just use whatever kind of pepper you could find. I'm adding just a little bit because it's really spicy. I'm gonna like spice. Now, I did add a couple of pimento seeds to it as well. This here is the green season that I just got done making, and I will insert the link. Maybe I'll do a video upon this separately, but it will be there. All right, and it's so good, and it smells so nice. Now I added a couple of teaspoons of the green season to the chicken, like that, right? Couple instead of something smells so good, it's normal. Now I'm going to add my jerk season. I didn't have the ochre yesterday because that's the one that I really like, but I'm going to use the one that I have at hand, which is the Grace brand, and it is in fact mild, honey, mild, because your girl don't like the pepper business. But when you cook jerk, you know you have to put spice on it. I added about 2 tablespoons of the jerk season to it, and I went in with my ochre browning. You're going to do it the way you like your color. I like my chicken a little bit on the darker end when I make it, but just go ahead and add how you like it, right? But add that, and you can also make your browning from scratch using sugar. Now, the chicken has slits on it, and it's in fact again skinless, just like you've asked. Make sure that you stuff it really well, like I'm doing here. And I'm going to show you a technique when you are making um jerk chicken like this, skinless. That way it doesn't dry up. You want it to be moist, because when you're making jerk chicken, it always leave the skin on. So this is the very first jerk chicken that I'm making skin off that you have requested. But make sure you make the thing nice. Don't worry yourself, me got you. Now moving right along, I'm going to, after I let my chicken sit for about an hour, that's all I needed, 1 hour. I went ahead and prepped it and get it ready for the oven. Now your oven want to be preheated, and your oven need to be preheated and set to 400 degrees. We are going to pop this chicken in the oven at 400 degrees, uncovered only. Don't waste any of your sauces. Go ahead and throw it on there. Put it in your oven and let it sit for 30 minutes. Make it go and do a thing for 30 minutes. Alright? Now, this is what we're gonna need to move on to make with rice peas, because goody, me I get everything in a one shot. You're gonna need pimento seeds, bell pepper. We're gonna make this vegetable style rice and peas. May I put some celery, onion, add pepper, scallion, and thyme to the mix bowl. We're gonna make it nice. Some fresh garlic, chives, honey, or coconut milk is on deck. And to make it easy, I'm going to be using my dark red kidney beans, and I'm using 3 cans, 2 cans, and 3 cups of parboiled rice. You could use any kind of rice that you need to use, but I love parboiled rice, so that's what we're using. So that's how we make a vegetable rice and peas today. Alright, boo. To get started, you want to go ahead and add 1/3 cup of oil. Any kind of oil of your choice is what? Fine. Fine, fine. You go in and you add your onions. Then you add your bell peppers. Make it colorful, okay? Make it colorful and pretty. Then you go in with your celery. Then you add your scallion and your fresh thyme. To the mix, you want to go in and add the pimento seeds and your chives, chopped chives, okay? Now, I did go in and add the pepper, but now I'm gonna pop it, of course, just for flavor, and some fresh garlic, and I did use about 4 cloves of fresh garlic. Give it a good mix, just like so, right? It don't have to be cooked out or anything, just combine the thing. And then after you get done combining your veggies like that, you are going to go in and add your coconut milk to the mix. And I did add exactly 1 cup of coconut milk, coconut cream, coconut, not the one where you're drinking a cup, the one where you take out of the shell. Now, after that, I went in with some vegetable broth, and I added about 3 cups of the vegetable broth and gave it a good mix. This is good for vegan, so I think I'm gonna make a separate video to show you how to make the this kind of rice and peas on my next channel, Life as Juliana. So if you're not subscribed to the channel, let go and subscribe over the link down below for that. I then added the red kidney beans. To flavor it up, I went in with about a teaspoon of salt and a teaspoon of black pepper, and you could add more salt to your liking. 1 tablespoon of all-purpose seasoning for added flavor. Gave it a good mix, like so, and it was smelling oh so yummy already. Oh so yummy already. Now, I'm going to go ahead and cover it up and allow all the flavors to come together, right? You have to do that for about a good half an hour. Half an hour in, that is what it looks like. Everything has come together and all the flavor is smashing itself out of that pot. Perfect. That's what we want to have happen here. Now, I'm going to be using my parboiled rice, and I'm using 3 cups here, and you could use any other rice of your choice. A lot of times you ask me, you could use any rice you want. Now, I'm going with some vegan spread or vegan butter. That's my choice, because I'm going to make a separate video and put it over Life as Juliana, because this isn't like a vegan kind of rice and peas. Now, gave it a good mix right here, and I think I added about 2 tablespoons of the vegan butter to it. Now I'm going to allow this thing to steam. I want it to steam on low heat, low to medium heat. But taste it first to see if you need to add anything else to it. Now to make it steam nice, just go in with your foil paper, put it over that thing and shut it really, really tight. And don't let no air come out of it. You want it to steam on low heat. I love parboiled rice when I'm doing rice and peas. But yeah, whatever you want to use, go ahead and use it, and I use 3 cups. Okay, goodie. Moving along, in a container, add some ketchup, because we're going to make this thing a flavor and moist up. Add some maple syrup to it, and then go in and add just a little bit of apple cider vinegar. All the amount for this recipe will be listed again down in the description box, so it. I went in with some dried parsley, and all you have to do is just give it a really good mix, and you're good to go. The thing ready. Now you're going to pull that chicken out of the oven after 30 minutes. That's what it's going to look like. All you have to do is pour that good sauce that you just made on top of the chicken. just like so, and baste the chicken with the sauce. Easy, because you want to make it moist and not dry. After you get done doing that, you throw the natural juices that that chicken made into the container, just like that. Then you turn the chicken on the opposite side, because remember you only cook it for half an hour, so that side is still not cooked yet, even though it look like you cook it raw on the inside. So go ahead and turn it on the opposite side. We are going to put this chicken back into the oven for another 30 minutes. But that good up natural juice right there, so we are going to go in and we are going to pour it all over that opposite side of that jerk right there. Just pour it, panic goodie. I saw it gonna look right there, so perfect, juicy and moist, skinless jerk chicken, oven baked in your oven. Put it back in your oven, uncover it again for 30 minutes, right? Put it back in there for 30 minutes, uncovered. When you are done, it is going to have the texture just like this of if you had put it on the grill. It's going to have that crispy little grill feel and taste and flavor. Now if you want to serve it up on a plate just like this, go ahead and serve it up on a plate just like that, but goodie, me I'm gonna give you a full course meal today, Sunday dinner in my kitchen, a full course meal we are talking about, and a some I go give it to you. Now, what I decided to do was go in and just cook up some string beans as a side dish, right? And also, I wanted to add some vegetables to it as well. So I was going to add some bell peppers and cucumbers and all the other good stuff, some lettuce and all them thing there. So that's all I did was go ahead and cut it up, because we're going to make this thing healthy and pretty all at the same dang time. So remember, good, if you are still here watching me cooking, make sure that you are subscribed to my channel if you have not already. Weird pan, you could be enjoying all these yumptiousness that I'm doing right here, and subscribe to my second channel, Life of Juliana, for all of my vegan goodies. Go over there and subscribe, and those recipes are over there. Make sure that your notifications are also on over there, so you'll know when I upload videos, right? Your girl is always trying to bring it. If you see something, if you want me to cook something, you haven't seen it here, go ahead and ask, because I am always here to deliver. You know what I mean? I say, that's how the thing said. Now, boom, make us just move on and get into our vegetable, rice, and peas after it's been cooking for 40 minutes on low to medium heat. That is the sort of stick, that steam right there. You see how it does produce that stick? Oh, yes, goody. When you pull that thing off, you have the most perfect vegetable, rice, and peas in your kitchen ever. And when we talk about flavor, we're not talking about a little bit of something flavor. We're talking about a whole flavor with your bell peppers and your onions and your scallion and your thyme and your garlic and all them things that the season when you put it at it, it's gonna have tons of flavor. This is no ordinary rice and peas. And don't forget, goody, this is not authentic rice and peas. You know, so nobody come for me. Me don't want to hear no foolishness. This is not authentic rice and peas. This is vegetables, rice, and peas. Anyway, when I was done, I served it all up on the platter bowl, and Lord of mercy, the thing was turned all the way up from the floor up. It was good, it was delicious, it was flavorful. The jerk chicken was nice and had a nice little crisp on the outside, just as if I had put it on the grill. It was moist. It was everything. Now go to share the love with friends and family. Bring them, come send them, come tell them what's going on over here. And remember, as always, from my kitchen to your kitchen, enjoy!